Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy twisted chignon hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I've popped a loose curl in the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And leaving a little bit of hair out to frame the face, I'm going to take all the hair on the right hand side from the ear upwards, smooth this out and tie it into a ponytail at the back of the head using a clear elastic band. Next, repeat on the left hand side, so take all the hair from the ear upwards, leaving some to frame the face. Bring this around to the back and create another ponytail. Then just clip these on top of the head to keep them out of your way for later. Divide the remaining hair in half, and again we're going to secure each half into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Next, I'm going to take that top right hand ponytail and I'm going to pull that elastic band down, and we're going to angle it to the bottom left hand ponytail. So when they meet, I'm just going to create a hole above that elastic band, pop a couple of fingers through and bring the ends through to create a loose twist. Next, add some dry texture spray to that twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the hair on the top and sides, as well as each side of those twists, to create more texture and volume. Then I'm simply going to join that twist to the bottom left hand ponytail with another elastic band. Then take the top left hand ponytail, and again we're going to slip that elastic band down until it meets the ponytail on the bottom right hand side. Create a hole above the elastic. Pop a couple of fingers through and flip your ends through to create another twist. Apply your texture spray and then pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. Then I'm going to pop a couple of fingers through the middle of the first twist. Grab hold of that twist on the left hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through the middle. Then simply join the two ponytails together with another elastic band. Add some more texture spray to those two ponytails, and all we're going to do is create a knot as if we're tying our shoelace, and then pull it tight so it sits at the nape of the neck. Then just secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Now, taking the tail ends on the left hand side, I'm just going to twist these towards the head and bring them over to the opposite side and secure with a bobby pin. Now with the remaining tail ends, just divide these in half, and using the one on the right hand side, again I'm going to twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side and secure with a pin. Pinch and pull for some more volume. And then just repeat it on the last section, bringing it over to the right hand side and securing it with a bobby pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.